I'm sitting in a 2017 Toyota Camry. We're going to be adding a proximity key. We're using OEM keys here. The one on the left is used, the one on the right is new. So let's get started. Go to Toyota, Camry, key coding, 17, smart key number 3, ignition's off. Don't have to turn it on because Prox systems don't have to turn them on. Okay, let's do a count key here. There's 2. When we're done, there's going to be 3. Program key, yes. 4 keys can be programmed. Number of keys, 2. Existing key, touch. You'll hear 1 beep. Now, take the next key and touch it, and you should hear 2 beeps. There's 2 beeps right there. Press OK. Number of keys, 3. It's as simple as that. We are done.